How to get 3D images in Canva. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get 3D images on your Canva. Okay, so let's start. We're going to pick a picture here. Okay, then you're going to click on it and you are going to duplicate the picture. Okay, now you're going to drag it and double click, and then you're just going to adjust it to how you want it. Okay, now you're going to click on the other photo and you're going to go to up, edit photo, and use the background remover. Right, now we're going to drag the photo over and just crop it there underneath, and we're going to adjust it a bit and drag it a bit so it fits nicely. There we go. There we have our first 3D picture. Okay, nice. Now we're just going to get another example. You're going to go to frames and pick another picture. Okay, let's take the juice example. Whoops. Let's pick another phone. There we go. Okay. So remember, you're going to click on the photo and duplicate, drag and drop, double click, and you're going to adjust it a bit, make it bigger so that we can get that full on splash effect. Okay, then we're going to go to the other picture and we are going to go to edit photo, effects, and then background remover. Okay, and then again we're going to drag over and crop and make it a bit bigger so that we get the whole splash in. And then you can just adjust it a bit so that it fits the whole thing. And oh, don't forget to layer it. Bring it forward, and yeah, whoops, not that. Yeah, okay, cool guys, there we have it. I hope this has been a big help, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Just remember that some of the features in Canva Pro does not feature in the Canva free version, but we will link a description down below, so go check it out.